look out for Lupin and Torrent Pharma. Now, Waters has actually filed a case against both these companies as on the grounds that on grounds of patent infringement of their blood pressure drug. Both these companies are seeking to make the generic version of the blood pressure drug before its patent expires, and Waters has actually requested for a court order barring these companies from manufacturing, selling these two drugs there. So it's an important development when it comes to Lupin and Torrent Pharma. If you look at the counters there, Torrent Pharma touched a 52-week high on Friday, and it's given a YTD return of close to 22% there. Look at Lupin there, trading about that 50-day moving average. So let's see how these counters react to this bit of news. Look out for IOC, and it's actually looking at increasing the prices of petrol and kerosene, and in fact diesel and cooking gas if the UP government does not go ahead and scrap the entry tax. Now, the UP government has introduced an entry tax of 5% in 2007 for transporting crude to the Mathura refinery, and on back of that, the burden on company has increased by close to 8,600 crores. The company is seeking the UP government to scrap that tax there, and if it is not done, they might actually look at increasing their petrol and diesel prices by over 2 rupees per litre, and also increase the prices of kerosene and gas cylinders there. So it's an interesting development. Let's see how the counters react. If you look at IOC there, it's given a 1 month return of close to 4.5% there, testing that 50-day moving average.
All right, Megha, thanks very much for that. Navneet, come to you. Some important earnings reaction.
Morning, Tanveer. Yes, to start off with IGL, which came out with its numbers yesterday post-market hours. If you look at the PAT growth, that was only up by about 17%, coming in at around close to 81 crores. The sales also grew by almost 41%, which was largely led by the volume growth, which came in at around 18% for Q4. Well, the PAT growth was curtailed by higher finance cost, which went up by almost 94% for Q4. And also, if you look at the CNG sales volume, that grew by 15%, and the pipe gas volumes were up by about 33%. If you look at the operating profit, that went up by 37%, but the margins for Q4 declined. It came at around 23.5% versus 26.94%, which was largely because of higher other expenses and higher depreciation during the quarter. And if you look at the counter, the YTD return, it's down by about 44%. It currently trades also below its 200-day moving average, and the brokerages have maintained their rating. If you look at HSBC, it's maintained its rating of underperformance, and Nomura too has maintained its rating on buy with the target price of almost 150 rupees. And moving on to Ashok Leyland, which came out with its numbers, not good set of numbers, at least on the operating front. If you look at the PAT, that was down by about 9%, and the revenues were also down by about 11%, and the operating margins came in at around 10.9% versus 13.3%, but the operating profit margins were higher if you look at sequentially. And in FY12, this is the highest operating profit margin which the company has reported, almost 10.9%. The sales growth was led by the volume growth of almost 20%, and the PAT growth was curtailed by higher interest cost burden which the company had to face, up by about 32%. And if you look at the numbers, they were not good largely because of the depressed market in South, also because of the political uncertainties in Andhra Pradesh, and also due to mining ban in Karnataka. And if you look at the counter, it's trading below its 50 and 100-day moving average. Year-to-date return has been 14%. And moving on to one of the small cap counter, Radico Khaitan, the company has bought around 2 whiskey brands from ESD Group, which is largely sold in the state of Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. The company has not disclosed the valuation of the deal yet, so do look out for this counter. It trades above its 50-day moving average, and 1 month return has been muted, just up by about 3%.